everyone. This is Hitesh Bhatt. I work at IRMA, and I was looking forward to meeting you all here sometime in the coming week. But then that will not happen because of unfortunate COVID situation. I can only tell you this much: we'll miss you a lot. Likewise, you'll also miss the campus. But these are difficult times. These are challenging times, and I think we'll have to be very careful of what we do. If we do things which are which give you good experiences, gives us good experiences, but then they are not good for us in terms of health and in terms of other safety measures, we must avoid them. This was not predicted by anybody. It has happened, and let's accept it as it is. Having said that, it will be our effort to give you a good experience for as long as you are not coming on campus. Once you come to the campus, that is guaranteed. We'll give it to you. But then online is a new thing for all of us, and we are working extremely hard to give an experience which you will like to have. Please stay in touch with us, and finally, welcome to IRMA.
This is your program chair, Professor Prateek Modi. On behalf of the Institute of Rural Management, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. The induction is going to begin soon, and the class is again going to start from 17th of August. These are difficult times, as you know, and I hope you all are taking good care and staying safe. The program, the first time of the history of IRMA and many other institutes, we are going to start in an online mode. We had hoped that we would get to see you face to face in the campus and welcome you in person in the first term of the program. However, it seems unlikely, but we hope that you will be back to the campus very, very soon after the government lifts the restrictions, and we are keen to welcome you to the campus. These are tough times, and as the saying goes, that tough times don't last, but tough people do. So I hope you will stay safe, take very good care of yourself, and soon come over to IRMA for your studies. This is a great opportunity for you. This is an exceptional year, but the future is going to be even more beautiful, full of opportunities and new challenges in the post-COVID world. So I hope you will make the most of the opportunity and study well in the program. So I wish you all the very best, a great health. All the best. Take care.